Cream Delight, Eureka Springs. This canalway is almost always empty. It was empty halfway full this morning and in earlier videos. Now it is completely full and running into the highway. Where that water is by the little fence there is about a 6-foot deep canal. And it is completely full coming out of onto the highway. This stuff was half full this morning in earlier videos. It is filling up. I'm now pushing water up the road. Coming into Main Street, formerly Mud Street, Eureka, in Old Town. Main Street through downtown by the old courthouse. Water has washed all the debris, leaves, rocks, sticks in the road. Side of the parking lot. Somebody's got the right idea. They brought their canoe. Just for the sake of argument, keep me out of trouble with the wife. I'm only going about 10 miles an hour, pushing water.